Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to set up the work environment. Now, to get started we'll need two things. One is the Eclipse IDE and the other one is the JDK. So I'll just show you from where to get these things. So first go to Google and type in Eclipse. Okay, now the first link which you see is the official Eclipse website. So go to that website and from here click on download. Now again here, according to your system specification and operating system, select the appropriate version and download the latest version of Eclipse. And again I'm using this version, Eclipse Mars 2. So this is the latest version from Eclipse. Okay, so that's it. And now again you will need the JDK. So for JDK, go to Google, type in JDK. Okay, and again the first link is the official website, and from here select Java SE Development Kit 8, which is the latest version of JDK. So click on that and it will take you to the official website, and from here accept this license. So this is the version which I'm currently using on my system, and yes, so from here download whichever version is suitable for your system. So that's it. And just remember one thing, unless you install the JDK, your Eclipse won't start. So first install JDK and then you will be able to use Eclipse. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.